Okay, we go on. Well, I'm standing on the foundation of the bell tower. Here inside is some kind of a pond where last water remains. Now I know for sure this must be the church. So in the vicinity must be the graveyard, and in the graveyard there is supposed to be a headstone with a date. That would be a terrific find. We go on, have a look, and see this. Isn't it great? In the bell tower of the church. Amazing. With all 4 or 5 meters across. Great. That's a nice find. See it? It's a tooth. A shell with a shell. Tooth from a horse or a cow. Oh, I know, gold teeth you should take with you. Pottery. Yeah, blackware. Middle Ages. Good blackware. So when I'm silent, you probably can hear the bells. For whom the bells toll, like Metallica said. Must be probably from a large pot hidden in the ground under the tile. Put the ashes in the fire in the evening. The next morning you start the fire again with the ashes and they're still glowing. Now this is amazing piece of history here. Have a look, people. In a couple of hours there will be meters of water here, and I can walk in now. Not too long though. Nice. So, the headstone. I don't think it's really here. The church, of course, was the center of the village. There also. Well, for certain, I'm now walking in the middle of the village. And the people that were living here must have broken thousands of pots, cans, jugs, pans. And the remains should be here, still in the ground. Again, people have been digging here, treasure hunters, it's no problem. If you succeed in finding anything, you're lucky here. Oh, that's a nice piece. Look, look. Yeah. It's got these typical slipware stripes. Late mid-races, very good. And of course that was also a pipkin. Brickwork. Hope to come across concentration pottery, bigger pieces. Imagine most houses have a water plant and a cesspit or a small ditch at the back wherein they threw all their garbage. Yeah, I see the next one. These oysters. Lump of stone. Do we see pottery? Rim. Redware everywhere. No glass. Glass was hardly in use here. And of course, no clay pipes. Smoking was not yet brought to Europe. Okay, what shall I do? Yeah, we go back. That's a piece of a very late car, around 1900s. Okay. This is an old brick wall. Of course, nice piece of a big pot. Maybe a large pot from the toilet. Privy. Yeah, blackware. See, it is a nice early piece. Thin. Blackware again. There have been many more floodings up till 1953, when more than 1,000 lives were lost. Great area of Holland went underwater, was flooded, and of course, like I see some plastic. There can be material from much later. It doesn't matter, I'm for sure. I'm in a village that was lost 500 years ago. Yeah, German stoneware. Middle Ages. This is also a wall tumbled down. Okay, let's see where I can go. That's a nice shop. And that's a nice clock. Okay, bye bye.